Hello everyone. Welcome to this English listening practice video. Today we're going to talk about giving directions. Imagine you're helping someone find their way to a park, a cafe, or a bookstore. Giving directions is easy, and I'll guide you step by step. Let's begin. Situation. Imagine you're on Oak Street near the post office. Your friend wants to go to the library. Here's how you can help. Step 1. Start by saying, "Go straight on Oak Street." Explain that they should keep walking forward. They'll pass a few shops like a bakery and a small supermarket. Step 2. After walking straight for about 2 blocks, they'll come to a traffic light. Tell them to stop there and turn right onto Maple Avenue. Maple Avenue is easy to recognize because it has a big sign. Step 3. Now tell them to continue down Maple Avenue. They'll see a park on their left and a bank on their right. Tell them to keep going until they see the library. The library is a tall, red brick building on the right side of the street. Step 4. When they see the library, let them know they have arrived. You can say, "The library is across the street from a coffee shop, so if you see that, you're in the right place." Review. Let's go over the directions one more time. First, go straight on Oak Street. Then, at the traffic light, turn right onto Maple Avenue. Walk until you see the library on your right, and there you have it. Thank you for joining this listening practice. Try giving directions to someone you know, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Leave a comment below and tell us about a place you would like to visit. See you next time.